Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Punnuri. In today's video, we are going to make a beautiful decor using pressure cooker gasket and a plastic sheet and a few paper rolls. So before going ahead, let's see the materials required. We need to cut the gasket into two halves for today's decor, which we are going to make. Take OHP sheet, that is a plastic sheet, which you get it in any stationery shop, but go for little thicker one, not very thin one. Mark an inner outline of the gasket using whiteboard pen. This is the design I downloaded from internet and got it printed. For fixing the plastic sheet inside the gasket, leave extra space below while cutting it. After cutting the semicircle part, just check whether the plastic sheet is fitting well in gasket. If it is not, you can recut it to the size accordingly. Now place the plastic sheet on the design and trace only the outline of the design. Cut the plastic sheet along the outline. This is how we are going to fix the plastic sheet in the gasket after doing the glass painting. Now make outlines of the design on plastic sheet using 3D liner. Before going ahead, just note that always use 3D liner which is full, which is new for glass painting. Otherwise, this is what happens while making the outlines. To get smooth lines, do not touch the surface with 3D liner while making the outlines. Now make the outlines of entire design on plastic sheet using 3D liner and let it dry completely. We need a barrier line while applying glass colors, so making this outline is also important, though it goes inside the gasket groove. To make the gasket look fresh, apply black acrylic color and after it dries, apply varnish to seal the color. Now it's time for applying glass colors on the design. Here I am using Fevicryl water-based glass colors. You get 10 colors in this pack. I am using golden yellow color here. If you get air bubbles while applying glass colors, remove them by pricking with any sharp object. And push the color to the edges to avoid any gaps. If you are using two colors, then smudge them well till you get the required shade. To know more about shading of glass colors, please watch my video number 27. Similarly, you can mix a little yellow and a little black and brown in sea green color to get different shades of green colored leaves. Finish filling all the colors in the design. After filling the colors in the design, we fill the colors in rest of the area using little blue, white and green. Here in this area, the paint should be hazy so that it doesn't dominate the flower colors. While smudging the colors, you have to be very quick. So apply the color part by part and then finish making it. Don't be in a hurry to apply the color on entire design. After finish applying the paint, don't disturb it till it becomes completely dry. So we are done with the glass painting now. You can display it as it is, or you can add any non-transparent plastic sheet to it to get opaque finish. So make outline of the design on smoky plastic sheet and cut it along the design. Apply glue on edges and stick the plastic sheet on back side of painted sheet. Here I am using Fevicryl All Fix glue as this glue becomes completely transparent after drying. Now stick both the plastic sheets together carefully. So this is the final look. Add little M-seal in the groove of the gasket and then fix the plastic sheets in the gasket. Now to display this, we will make a stand using paper roll. Make a rectangle by sticking the paper rolls with M-seal. Also cut 4 pieces of paper roll of required height. Now paint them using Fevicryl acrylic color. Make the stand as you are seeing the video. So this is the final look of the decor. Similarly, I made one more design. Here I try to get textures of glass on plastic sheet. So I just applied All Fix glue on back side of the plastic sheet. Apply the glue in zigzag manner. I hope you are able to see the effect in the video. So the textured glue is in between the two plastic sheets. Now apply the glue on edges and stick both the plastic sheets together. Now fill the glass colors in empty spaces of the design. Here I used more of white and just added very few drops of other colors. And I used very little orange on inner edges of the design. I tried to show making the stand more clear. You may please watch carefully. When you stick with the M-seal, you place it on a plastic sheet, otherwise it will stick to the surface. Okay, if you are not very comfortable in making this stand and all this, you have one more option. Don't cut the gasket and make the design on a circular plastic sheet. After cutting the plastic sheet, just check whether it's fitting in the gasket well. Make the design of your choice and fill the glass colors. Apply black acrylic color on the gasket and apply varnish on that to seal the color. Now fix both the plastic sheets in the gasket. You can place this anywhere in the house as it is, but I want to hang this for a change. I have these chains of my handbags which I don't use anymore. I tried making a hole with a hot needle, but it did not work. But by hitting a nail, I could make the hole easily. That's it, your decor is ready to hang. So you can hang it under your existing lights or on a window glass or anywhere in the house. Can you believe that you made this beautiful decor using a waste gasket and a plastic sheet? So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. Need your support to get more views, so do share with your family and friends. I would like to hear your suggestions to create more. So that's it for today. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.